Liftmaster's 8500W includes an 841LM power door lock, integrated model 485LM battery for backup power, which is now installed inside the motorhead, a cable tension monitor, and the 827LM remote LED light. All of this with built-in Wi-Fi. Please note, the model 8500W can be installed on torsion spring activated doors with a 1-inch diameter shaft. For standard lift doors with 15-inch radius track or greater, the doors can be up to 18 feet wide and up to 14 feet tall. On high lift applications, the doors can be 14 feet tall and have up to 54 inches of high lift. For installation, we must have a minimum of 2.5 inches from the wall and center of torsion shaft, a minimum of 3 inches from the center of the torsion shaft and the ceiling, a minimum of 8.5 inches between the sidewall and the end of the torsion shaft, and the torsion shaft must extend at least 1.5 inches past the bearing plate. As always, before we install any garage opener, we want to make sure the door is working properly. Always make sure the door travels freely through the track and is balanced properly. Please disable any locks. We'll replace the lock with a power door lock that's activated by the garage door opener. Remove all ropes that may have been installed on the door, as these present a safety concern. Double check the measurements to make sure you have enough room to mount the opener. One of the improvements made with the model 8500W is the connecting shaft collar. As you can see, with the set screws, it will be easier to install. We'll slide the collar over the motor shaft of the operator and secure it in place. The side of the collar with the larger hole should be placed on the motor side. Place the collar so the set screws are facing out, thus making them easier to access. Loosely attach the slotted side of the mounting bracket to the same side of the garage door opener. Leave this loose until it is time to secure to the jamb. We are now ready to position and mount the garage door opener. With the garage door in the closed position, place the 8500W onto the end of the torsion shaft. If the door shaft is damaged or too long, you may need to cut it down. When the collar is on the door shaft, make sure it is free and clear of the bearing plate and does not make any contact. Using a level, position and align the garage door opener. Verify that the mounting bracket is located on a solid surface and secure it using the proper hardware. Now you can secure both the coupling and the mounting bracket. Now we will install the emergency release rope and handle. Mount the release rope within reach, but at least 6 feet above the garage floor. Make sure notice on the handle is right side up, and then secure it with an overhand knot. From here, we will install the 841LM automatic door lock. There's a couple things we will need to consider. The lock must be within 10 feet of the opener, the mount must be on the same side as the opener, and above the third roller is ideal for most installations. Clean off the inside of the rail and attach the lock template that is provided with the installation materials. The hole for the lock bolt should be approximately 3 inches above the center of the roller. Drill the holes marked on the template using 5/16 inch and 3/4 inch drill bits. Attach the door lock to the outside of the door track with the hardware provided. Run the attached bell wire up to the motorhead and plug in either connector in the door opener. The 8500W is capable of having 2 locks installed for added security. Now we will attach the cable tension monitor. This device is required as it detects any slack that may occur in the cables and will reverse the door. Position the cable tension monitor so the roller is 2 to 6 inches from the drum and the roller extends past the cable 1/8 to 1/4 inch. Make sure the cable is approximately 3/4 of an inch from the mounting surface. Drill 3/16 inch pilot holes and attach the cable tension monitor. Make sure the roller is on the top of the cable. Run the bell wire above and around the opener. We will connect the wire to the green Quick Connect terminals. Next, we will install the infrared safety eyes. These must be installed within 6 inches of the bottom of the door. Run the bell wire to the opener. Install the white wires to the white terminals and the white and black wires to the gray terminal on the garage door opener. We will then attach the wall console. Run the white and red and white wires from the wall console to the opener. Connect to the red and white terminals on the opener. It's recommended that you mount the wall console 5 feet from the floor or high enough to be out of the reach of small children. We're now ready to install the battery backup. If the opener is in battery backup mode, the MyQ devices will be disabled. The power door lock will unlock and remain disabled until power is restored. Make sure power is off. Then connect the red and black wires to the corresponding terminals on the battery. Slide the battery inside cover and plug in the opener. Once the power is restored, we can set the travel. While programming, the up and down buttons may be used to move the door as needed. Press the adjustment button until the up button begins to flash. Then press and hold the up button until the door is in the desired up position. Press and release the adjustment button. The garage door opener lights will flash twice, and the down button will begin to flash. Press and hold the down button until the door is in the desired down position. Press and release the adjustment button. Programming the travel is now complete. Make sure when setting the travel that hands are free and clear from the door, as it will be moving up and down. Now we can install the MyQ remote LED light. Make sure to pick an area that is within 6 feet of an outlet. Drill 6 pilot holes and open the light lens. Then mount the light with the screws provided. Your garage door opener remote light has already been programmed at the factory to operate with your opener. Any additional lights will need to be programmed.